Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Telegram stars for free. Alright, so let's begin. By the end, you'll understand simple and legitimate ways to grow your balance without relying on anything risky or unreliable. Start by opening your Telegram app and sign into your account. Once here, tap on these three lines at the top left and head into your settings. This is where you can manage your account features. Scroll through until you find the My Stars section. Once you open it, you'll be able to see your current balance and access options for purchasing more stars. Take a moment to get familiar with this area since it's where you'll track everything. Now, let's look at ways to earn stars for free. One of the most common methods is through giveaways. Many Telegram channels and groups run contests where they reward members with stars. These events are usually held to celebrate milestones or keep the community active. To participate, you might need to complete simple actions like joining a group, sharing a post, or inviting others. Even if you don't win right away, these opportunities come up regularly, so staying active increases your chances. Another method is using referral or affiliate style programs. Some Telegram mini apps offer rewards when you invite new users through your unique link. You can usually find this referral link within the app's menu or information section. Share it with friends, in groups, or on social media. When someone joins or uses the app through your link, you may earn stars as a reward. This approach can grow over time if you keep sharing consistently. If you prefer a faster option, you can also purchase stars directly. Go back to the My Stars section in your settings, choose the amount you want, and complete the payment using the available methods. Once the transaction is successful, the stars will be added to your account right away, and that's it. This is how you can get Telegram stars for free. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.